Hello, let me show you how to install Dynamic Island on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So first of all, we're gonna open the Play Store and we want to find an app that allows us to use a Dynamic Island or something that resembles the Dynamic Island. Let's go to search and let's search for Dynamic Island and we should be able to find Dynamic Spot. This is the app that we can install. Probably there are some more apps that work in a similar way. I'm gonna use this one, however, as I've been using it before. So I know that it is actually pretty easy to set up. Let's wait for the app to be installed, and after that, of course, we want to open it. There we go. So let's open. At first, we will need to grant some permissions. So let's follow the instructions that we might see on the screen. Let's go next. Alright, so first we need to tap on the first option. And we need to select which apps should be working with the dynamic islands. So we can decide which apps should be integrated by manually enabling by tapping on the switcher, or we can select all apps at once like so. So let's say I'm going to choose all of them. Let's go back. Then we have the notification access. Let's wait for a couple of seconds to switch to the notification access menu, and over here we want to enable the dynamic spot and then press allow. There we go. Then we have draw on screen. Press allow, and then one more time. This is important to, after pressing allow, we need to tap one more time and then tap next. And once again, wait for the accessibility menu to show up, go to installed apps, and over here you should be able to find dynamic spot and enable it. Then press allow, and done. Now we can press done. Over here you should be able to find some additional settings, so you might want to go through these one by one. Of course, if you see some ads, you can skip them. So let's wait for it to skip. There we go. And there we go. Some features are actually premium, so not everything can be changed for free. And if you want to get premium, then of course over here we have the Pro if you want to, but of course it is not necessary. We can still use the free version pretty well without any issues. And that's pretty much it. So now if anything happens with the selected apps that we had in the app, and so if you go to notifications over here and apps, then of course you can still configure apps that should be working with the dynamic island. And after that we should see the dynamic island somewhere at the top. And there we go. I am actually calling myself, and as you can see over here I have this dynamic island. I can tap on it in order to open it, and it works pretty well. I can do whatever I want with the dynamic island. It works pretty well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.